Hello everyone, I'm Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today I'm going to focus on 9 different exercises if you have osteoporosis or if you're just a beginner. You're going to need a small ball. If you don't have a small ball, that's okay, just use a cushion. So I'm going to try the ball here. It's from Fit Beast and you can get your own. I'm going to write you the information right below this video. Before you start this video, guys, I invite you to warm up. Go for a walk for 10-15 minutes, and then you'll be ready to start. Or just visit my website to get a 10, 15, 20 minutes of low-impact cardio workout. Let's get started. Let's start with big muscles, your legs. We're going to do chair squats. So nice and tall. Come up, contract your glutes. Try to bring the arms up as high as you can without arching your back. So I'm not changing my form here at all. Let's go back down. And I'm going to inhale, exhale to stand. And again, contract your glutes and slowly come back down. So I want you to control your way up, but also you control your way down. So break right here the movement. I don't want you to crash on the chair. Let's go again. Up. That's it. And down. Can you keep your chest as high as possible? That's it. Okay, listen to your knees. Let's try to do 4 more. And 3. 2 more. That's it. And 1 more time. And then I'm just going to stay seated, but I'm going to turn my chair for you to see me better for the next exercise. You're going to put the ball behind right here at your upper back. So nice and tall, and you're going to need to come forward here on the chair. You're going to look straight ahead, and I want you to press your back against the chair, against the ball. We're going to inhale to come back, exhale to press back. Inhale, exhale to press back. Okay, so your shoulders are not moving. You can bring your arms into your spine as well. Now feel what's going on at your feet. Put your hands on your thighs. You should feel a little contraction in your quads here because you need to press your feet on the floor. If not, you're going to slide. Good. And watch your neck as well. I'm doing a gentle chin tuck to bring my ears again in line with my shoulders. Good. Where do you feel the work? Good. Quads. Do you feel a little bit in your stomach? That's it. 2 more. And 1 more. Beautiful. And release. I'm going to stand up. This one is not for everybody. You don't need to put the ball behind or your cushion behind your knee. You can just do that. And I'm going to do a leg curl. But because I'm going to put the ball behind my knee, I'm just going to do that. Okay? So I'm going to work my hamstrings, but also my glutes. Shoulders are down and back, abs tight. Lift the leg a tiny bit and slowly come down. Exhale, inhale. Another way of doing it, you can hinge from the hips, keeping the hips square, and slowly come back. So I'm going to do option 3 because I know I can do it. If you have osteoporosis, you're not sure what you're doing. So I want you to stay nice and tall instead, and just bring the leg up. Okay, so inhale, exhale, come back. So keep your chin in. Good, hips are square. And then you're going to focus on how many fingers you need on your chair to stay in balance. Try to have less fingers. Can we do 4 more? Feel the work. So even your opposite hip has to work very hard to keep you on one leg. 2. And 1 more. Good. And slowly release. How many legs do we have? Let's switch it up. Same thing. I'm going to turn. There we go. Put the ball again on your cushion, or don't use anything at all. Especially if you have knee replacement. For some people, they cannot bend their knees that much. So listen to your hamstrings. Listen to your knee. Inhale. Exhale to come back. Inhale. exhale. There we go. 6. Again, how many fingers do you have on your chair? 5. Can you feel that you're staying nice and tall? You're just hinging from the hips if you choose to do this one. Okay, 3 more. 2. I need to concentrate a little bit more here. Okay, can we do 1 more? There we go. And slowly release. Good job. Let's go back seated. You're going to see the next one is mostly for your core. You won't move at all your upper body. So rest your ball on the left thigh, right hand. I want you to use your palm to save your fingers, especially if you have arthritis in your fingers. So lift the heart, inhale, exhale, press your palm right into the ball without lifting the shoulders. Inhale, exhale to press. So what I'm not doing here, I'm not doing that. This is exactly the movement you need to avoid if you have osteoporosis. So you're staying nice and tall, pressing to the ball. Feel your triceps right here contracting. So this arm doesn't do anything. You can just leave it by your side. Inhale to release. Exhale to press. Super easy, working your core. So put your hands behind the ball here, right in your ribs. You should feel the contraction. 4 more. In 3, 2. Beautiful. 1 more. Nice. And release to switch. So same thing, please use the palm of your hand. Shoulders down and back. Abs are tight. Inhale. Exhale to press into the ball. Inhale to release. Exhale, gently press. Again, notice what muscles are contracting here. Triceps, a little bit of the shoulder, and right behind, right here, the ball in your ribs, obliques. So your core is working. There we go. 5, 4, 3, and 2. That's it. 1 more. Beautiful. And release. I'm going to go back to legs. So if you have osteoporosis, you need to hinge from the hips to put the ball down. So support yourself nice and tall. And then you're going to bring the right foot on the ball. And I want you to press into the ball. Inhale to release. Exhale to press. That's it. I'm doing a mini knee extension. So you should feel it right here in your quads, but also in your core because you're staying nice and tall. Inhale up, exhale, press. Good, and feel your ankle moving on in the ball here. This is an unstable surface. Good. 4, 3, and 2. That's it. 1 more time. Good, and release, and let's switch it up. So again, nice and tall, even your head. Good, and when you're ready, inhale, exhale to press. Inhale, exhale to press. That's it. And we're going to go for 6. So feel what's going on right here again in your quads. You can put your hands right here on your ribs and feel if there's a contraction in your stomach. So you really need to suck your tummy in towards your spine. And 2. 1 more. Good. And slowly release. To grab the ball, hands from the hips, grab it, and slowly come up. Let's go against the wall. And I want we walk the fingers right here on the wall. So nice and tall. And you're going to use your fingers to bring the ball as high as you can. And again, I'm not arching my back. I'm staying nice and tall, contracting my abdominals, and slowly walk the ball down. Ready? Let's go. Use your fingers one at a time. Bring the ball up. This is very good if you have arthritis again in the fingers, but it's also a movement for your shoulder. Let's go again up. Hi, buddy. Good. And again, slowly down. Can we do 1 more? Abs are tight. Is it itchy? Good. And release. We have two arms. Let's switch it up. Shoulders down and back. I'm even contracting my glutes here. And ready? Let's go. Use one finger at a time. Good. And slowly come back down. Slowly go back up. And down again. We're going to go for two more. Riley's getting hungry. One more time. There we go. Good job. And we're going to slowly release. I want to use the ball for the next exercise. So let's leave it on your chair. And we're going to do triceps. You know, triceps are very important because the day you're going to fall, if your triceps are strong, our first reflex when we fall is to put the hand down. So if your triceps are strong, you won't hit your head. That means you won't have a brain injury. So triceps, you're going to keep your elbows by your side and you're going to go down, bring your nose very close to the wall and press up. Let's go down to inhale. Exhale to press. So my elbows are always staying by my side. If you want to challenge more yourself, step away from the wall, down. If you want to be on your tippy toes, you're welcome. So you're moving as a plank. Good. Shoulders are down and relaxed. Inhale towards the wall. Exhale to press. Good. Now you're going to push, clap, go back down, press, push, down, push. There we go. Again, 3, 2. Make sure you're not going to break your nose. One more. There we go. And slowly release. Okay, one more exercise. No, we have two more. I want we do the leg to the side, and I'm going to do a leg, an arm right here at the same time. So go on the right side of your chair, use a few fingers as possible, and you're going to tap side and bring your arm all the way up, keeping the shoulder down, and slowly come back. Inhale, exhale, and again up and down. Good. And again for 3. The other work again here, outer thigh, 2. One more time. Good. And release. Let's switch it up. Same thing. So nice and tall. Abs are tight. Let's go up. Open your legs straight to the side. Bring your arm as well. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Again, up. Good. And up. This is very good for balance as well. And that's the thing. As we age, we lose our balance. So that's why it's important to practice it every day. Can we do one more? Nice. And release. Move your hips. I'm going to do one more exercise for you. You're going to grab the ball. I'm just hoping it's easy for your fingers. If not, do it without anything in your hands. I'm going to grab it. I don't have arthritis in my fingers, so it's easy for me to do that. I'm going to bring my leg to the side, shoulders down and back. Bring your elbow right here, 90 degree, and I'm just going to open like that. So inhale, come back, 90 degree. Exhale. Have you noticed my shoulders down? So let's give it a try. You can open your leg to the side. Let's go. You want to work harder? Bring the leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Keep it safe. Please respect your body. I give you options. Toes down or up. 4, 3, 2. If it's getting too much for your shoulders, you know you can release at any time. Good job. Let's switch it up. You can rotate your shoulders. Grab the ball. I want to see again a 90 degree. So your elbow is in line with your shoulder. Tap to the side. Open. Rotate your shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. There we go. Inhale. Exhale. Now can you keep it out? Can you bring your toes up? You decide where you want to be. 4, 3, 2, and one more. That's it, and release. Voila, good job. You have just completed the nice exercises if you have osteoporosis, arthritis, or if you just wanted to work out. If you want your own ball, go on fitbeesclub.com. I'm going to write the information again below this video. If you want more videos of all sizes, from beginners to advanced, please visit my website at www.abstractfitness.ca. Now it's time to stretch. I'm going to put the link here below, and you have choices to do stretch on a chair or maybe on a mat. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.